compare and contrast the processes of immune system in animals. What is immune system? All living organisms are continuously exposed to substances that are capable of causing them harm. Most organisms protect themselves against such substances in more than one way, with physical barriers, for example, or with chemical that repel or kill invaders. Animals with backbones, called vertebrates, have these types of general protective mechanisms, but they also have a more advanced protective system called the immune system. The immune system is a complex network of organs containing cells that recognize foreign substances in the body and destroy them. It protects vertebrates against pathogens or infectious agents such as viruses, bacteria, fungi, and other parasites. The human immune system is the most complex. Two kinds of immunity. All animals possess a primitive system of defense against the pathogens to which are susceptible. This defense is called innate or natural immunity and includes two parts. One part, called humoral innate immunity, involves a variety of substances found in the humors or body fluids. These substances interfere with the growth of the pathogens or clump them so that they can be eliminated from the body. The other part, called cellular innate immunity, is carried out by cells called phagocytes that ingest and degrade or eat pathogens, and by so-called natural killer cells that destroy certain cancerous cells. Innate immunity is nonspecific, that is, it is not called against specific invaders but against any pathogens that enter the body. Only vertebrates have an additional and more sophisticated system of defense mechanisms called adaptive immunity that can be recognized and destroy specific substances. The defensive reaction of the adaptive immune system is called the immune response. Any substance capable of generating such a response is called an antigen or immunogen. And animals are under constant threat of microbial invasion. These potential invaders gain access to the body through the intestine and respiratory tract and the skin. The large and diverse microbiota of the intestine serves to protect the intestine from the infectious invaders by occupying the niche that precludes other organisms from establishment there. Other potential invaders are infectious agents spread from the other individuals. The second line of defense is a hardwired system of innate immunity that depends on the rapid stereotypical response to stop and kill both bacteria and viruses. This is typified by the process of acute inflammation and by the classic illness responses such as a fever. The third line of defense is the highly complex, specific, and long-lasting adaptive immunity because an animal accumulates memory cells after exposure to pathogens. Adaptive immunity provides an opportunity for the last to respond exposure by creating a highly specific and effective response to each individual infectious agent. In the absence of a functional adaptive immune system, survival is unlikely.